How to change your business account to creator account on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can change and switch from a business account to a creator account while still being in a professional account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So you basically have a professional account on Instagram and it is set to a business account. So you want to change it to a creator account, not personal but creator account, right? Which means you are still in the professional account criteria. So what you want to do for that is, if I just open up Instagram, I actually have a business account. So if I want to switch to creator, first of all, I'll just come to my profile tab from the bottom right, then tap on the three lines icon from the top right hand side. Then I will go to the option called settings and privacy. So once I come to settings and privacy, here you'll find the option called business tools and controls for professionals. All you have to do is tap on business tools and controls, and over here just scroll down and then you'll find the option called switch account type. So when you tap on switch account type, you can switch to a personal account or you can switch to a creator account. Because in my case I'm learning to switch from business to creator, I'll just select the option called switch to creator account and I'll just tap on the switch account button. Now if you want to understand, creator accounts are best for public figures, content producers, authors and influencers. So just tap on the switch option over here if you do want to switch them, and then you should be able to successfully switch from business to creator account on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you in the next video.